discuss what is containers in Spring and why it's not actually in Spring. What is container? Advantage of container. So today we'll discuss what is container in Spring. A container, simple word, a container in Spring is like a manager, a helper that creates and manages object called being in your applications. It does the following task: create the object beans, connect them together, dependency injection, manage their entire life cycle, creation of destructions. Why is it useful? Instead of writing code to create and manage object manually, Spring Container does it if you this save the time, reduce error, and make code easy to test and maintain. Um, Suppose class student and draw class class demo main student as for name student yeah get object object of the object of the student was minority user. It will take a time. That's why I am telling to me object is creatable container and experience which is called Spring container. Spring container create object destroy object as well as perform dependency dependency injections in Spring. Dependency injections means dependency one class reference one class is dependent on another class reference injection. Injection main and SIG and assigning the value. That's it. example and try to try to understand. Suppose we have a we have a uh, class for some class address in class for some address as a lesson here uh, we are assigning manually in core Java, but in Spring, no need to assign manually. This process is handled by a Spring container that process is called dependency injection. You can perform dependency injections in Spring in different manner. This we will we will discuss tomorrow. If you want to notes and description, comment, and notes, I will give you. So let's get started on the theory. If you want to give the practical example in a case ID, so please comment. Why is it useful? Instead of writing code, create and manage object manually, Spring Container does it do for you. This save time, reduce error, and makes code easy to test and maintain. Let's try to understand. We take off a real-time example. A real life example. Think the container as a kitchen manager in a restaurant. It prepare dishes, beans, combine interior dependencies, and keep everything ready for use. So this is easy to understand for beginners. Next, types of the container in Spring. There are two types of container available in Spring. First, bean factory. This is basic container, lazy loading, create object only when needed, or uh, don't worry about what is lazy loading. It will be another concept. Another concept. So this concept discuss after this video, yeah, in future. So Right now, only remember what so container in factory application context. Second, application advanced container eager loading used to most real time. Right now, only remember to be in factory in application context. Upcoming video, I will discuss what is bin factory, why is bin factory, when bin factory is already there, then why then why it's can application context. Everything discussed in next video. So right now only remember bin factory application contains the two containers deliver an sprint. Conclusion. If you are to going to interview, so you can answer the question like this. The sprint container helps you build flexible and organized application by handling object creation and wiring automatically. Wiring means dependency injections. If you want to note, you can notes screenshot. If you want PDF in description, please comment.